In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Maps section to your Shopify theme effortlessly. This process is incredibly useful, especially if you're using themes like Dawn or any other online store 2.0 theme that may not come with a built-in map section. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to Google Maps in your web browser. Once you're there, search for the specific address you wish to display on your website. This could be your business location, warehouse, or any significant place you'd like to highlight for your customers. After finding the right location, focus on the specifics of what you see. You're going to need this exact view to embed the map later on. Next, look for the Share button on Google Maps. It's your gateway to getting the map on your Shopify site. Once you click on this Share option, you'll see a tab that says Embed Map. Click on it and, just like that, you'll see an embed code appear. This code is like your golden ticket. Click on Copy HTML to save this code to your clipboard because you'll need it very soon. Now, switch gears and head over to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, select Online Store and then move to Themes. This is where you'll find all your theme settings. Locate your active theme, such as Dawn, and open the Customize section. Inside the Theme Customizer, navigate to the page where you want the map to appear. This could be your contact page, home page, or any other section you feel necessary. We'll focus on making this part as seamless as possible. Once on that page, look for the option that says Add Section. It's often positioned somewhere visible to help enhance your page with new elements. In the Available Sections list, aim for an option titled Custom Liquid, or it might appear as Custom HTML Liquid. This is the section where you'll place your previously copied embed code. Within the given input box, paste the code from Google Maps. Here's a crucial tip. Adjust the width parameter in the code to 100%. This step ensures that your map will be responsive, meaning it will scale appropriately across various devices, from desktops to smartphones. You might also want to set the height. A common dimension is 400 pixels, but this is flexible based on your design preferences. With everything set up, don't forget to hit Save. This locks in your hard work and applies the changes live. Once saved, preview your page to ensure the map appears exactly where you want it and functions correctly. This straightforward method is often preferred by many when their theme, such as Dawn, does not offer a built-in map section. And there you have it, an embedded Google Map on your Shopify site ready to guide your customers.